Make the best of Amazon and WordPress with AzonPress, the most advanced WordPress plugin for Amazon affiliate marketing. Create product tables or comparison tables or show them in single product boxes. Pick a template and customize your layout. Your products are now looking good and converting like crazy, and it was super fast and easy. Why go for AzonPress? It's intuitive. Your products are easy to link, easy to find. Show the best sellers to your customers, make them wanna click. Use geotargeting and do accurate tracking always. Make the best of our widgets and the Gutenberg blocks. Take affiliate marketing beyond Amazon with zero API. If you are a fan of a revenue hike, AzonPress is the ultimate deal maker. Wanna test it out? Takes just a couple minutes to install. You can literally do it now. Happy marketing!